am I? This isn't my line. I am John. Oh, I'm not John. I don't even recognize his name. John? Who's John? That is an interesting looking wallet. Oh, wow. This feels so... Was that my foot? Oh, that was me. Okay. Okay. Looks like I'm in a very fast train. A fair price for the internet isn't science fiction. It's tech savvy. Whoa. What is this? Whoa. That looks like a simplified version of the Japanese train system. Okay, I guess we'll just keep going. I don't understand how these... Okay, I guess I just keep going. Oh, it's locked. Oops. It's blue. Am I supposed to go outside? No, okay. Keypad. Oh. Okay. Oh, sorry. Never mind. Oh, there we go. Local family torn apart in. A horrific single vehicle accident on the evening of August 14th has left the community in mourning. The crash claimed the life of Alara Bishop, 27, a beloved local teacher. Her husband, Beep Bishop, the driver of the vehicle, was transported to St. Jude's Hospital, where he remains in critical condition. While the investigation is ongoing, sources have suggested driver inattention may have been a key factor. A single child's car seat, thankfully empty, was removed from the wreckage. Friends of the family described the couple as inseparable, a tragic end to what should have been a celebration. A final tally of 2024 bright futures dimmed. Okay. Am I supposed to, maybe there's a date, August 14th? Okay, let's try this again. Clear it. Oh, damn it. Wait, I can't press on it. Hello? I cannot press on it. Oh, there we go. 0814. Oh. Oh dear. I guess we go forward. Oh, hello. Oh, okay. Okay. Hello. That's a very... Oh my god, why was that guy sitting there? Also, that is horrible seating. Oh my god, okay. Let's continue. I don't know. Okay. Hello? That is so loud. Okay. Hello? So, what does that say? Oh, okay. Nice pictures. What is that face? Ah! I don't want to turn around. I don't want to turn around. I'm just gonna... Ah! Ah! What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Hello. Who are you? Are you my child? Shut the fuck up. Oh my god. Wait, I didn't mean to curse. Ah! Okay. Ah! I don't want to get closer. I don't want to get closer, guys. I'm just gonna... Oh, fuck it. I hate you. I hate dolls, honestly. I can't. I'm gonna watch you, bitch. Sorry, I didn't mean to curse. Fuck you. The doll was here. Oh, I'm out of here. Oh, it's locked. Oh, shit. What's my name? I don't know, John? Nothing. What do you mean, nothing? The fuck? Where am I supposed to go? I am very uncomfortable with that doll being there. I am very uncomfortable. What the fuck do you mean? What do you mean nothing? What the hell? Hello? Can you like... Ugh. Okay. Cool. Examine bear. Rotate the bear. Am I supposed to be seeing a clue here? I really don't want my back to... Okay, hello. I don't particularly see anything. Maybe... no, don't see anything. Hey! You doll. Oh, there's something here. I hate you. I hate you, honestly. I hate you so much. Ah! Oh, okay. Oh no, it's the creepy music. There's no one here though. I can't. Oh, I read. Patient is in sick. Is the sickness? What do you mean? Is the sickness? Memory catalyst serum has to be self-administered, and this requires a precise combination of administering the correct sequence to the source react. Oh, okay. Begin with the catalyst for attaining passion. Oh, I guess I'm being injected. Fuck you, you fucker. What the fuck do you want, bitch, asshole? What the fuck you want, huh? What the fuck you want, huh? Fuck you want a fucking 5e? What the fuck you want? What the fuck you want? Oh wait, do I have to inject you with this? Fucker. What the fuck do you want? Oh, I see you look kinda squishy, bro. But still, I don't like that you jump scared. The music is so loud. Just stay there, alright? Just stay. What is this? I need a cup first. Oh, I need to inject shit with him. I need a cup. Okay, there should be a cup somewhere. I must have missed something. Give me a sec. Okay, the music like chill out, honestly. Oh, there's a cup. You gotta drink some nice beer, mate. I don't know why I said it like that. Okay, what is with the music in these horror games? Like, I get that you want the people to be scared, but this is ridiculous. Right? This is ridiculous. I'm not even sure if I want to. Oh, I drink it? Why do I drink it? What? Oh, I'll drink it with you, babe. Yeah, I'm definitely a bishop guy. Key 3 found. Bye, babe. Oh, there's a door. Music, like, I hate when horror games make the music so loud, incite fear. No, you're supposed to, like, I get it if it's for cheese scenes, but for something like creepy. Some inception shit. For more kids or more response. I don't know. What am I not ready for? Oh, maybe I'm not ready for. Yeah, I'm not ready for a kid. Maybe. I don't know if that looks accurate to being an embryo. That doesn't look right. Totally became quiet. I'm pretty sure it's gonna jump scare me. Hello, can I have the key, please? I can't take the key.
It was supposed to be a celebration. You looked away for just 1 second.
What? I'm very confused. next.
Where am I? This isn't my line.
What? We were here before.